Hello, today we're going to learn how to divide using long division. Now the numbers that we will have remainders, so we're going to leave them as remainders when we do the problem. The first problem we're going to do is 270 divided by 8. First we ask ourselves, does 8 go into 2, which it does not. So if you would like, you can put a 0 up top. 0 times 8 is 0. We draw a line. We subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. We carry the 2 down. Next, we bring down the next digit, which is our tens digit. We have 7. So now our number becomes 27. Well, how many times does 8 go into 27? The answer is 3. So 3 times 8 is 24, so I write a 24 under the 27. I draw a line. I subtract. 27 minus 24 is 3. I see if there's any more digits, which there's the ones digit of 0, so I carry that down. How many times does 8 go into 30? The answer is 3. So 3 times 8 is 24. I draw a line. I subtract. I get a remainder of 6. So my answer is 33, remainder 6. Let's try another one using the exact same process. The next number we're going to do is 703 divided by 6. We start just like we did the last problem. Does 6 go into 7? Which it does, once. 1 times 6 is 6. We will draw a line and we subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. We carry our next digit down, which is 0. And my new number is 10. How many times does 6 go into 10? The answer is once. 1 times 6 is 6. So I draw a line. I subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4. I carry my next digit down, which is a 3. How many times does 6 go into 43? The answer is 7. 7 times 6 is 42, so I write 42. Under my 43, I draw a line. I subtract. 43 minus 42 is 1. I see if there's any more digits over next to my 3, which there are not. So my remainder is going to be 1 this time, so I'm going to put remainder 1. So my answer is 117 with a remainder of 1. Let's do one more as an example. The last one we're going to do is 380 divided by 8. To do this, we start the problem just like before. Does 3 go into 8? Does 8 go into 3? The answer is no, so I can put a 0 up above. And remember, if the answer is ever no, you put a 0, no matter if it's in the hundreds, the tens, the ones column. 0 times 8 is 0. I draw a line. I subtract down. I get a 3. I carry my next digit down, which is at 8. 8 times what gives me close to 38? Well, 8 times 5 is 40, which is too much. So it's 8 times 4. 4 times 8 is 32. I draw a line. I subtract. I get 6 and 0. Well, 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. And 64 is too big, so we're going to have to use 7. 8 times 7 is 56. We draw a line. We subtract. 60 minus 56. If you need to, you can borrow. 5 minus 5 is 0, 10 minus 6 is 4. I see if I have any more digits. I do not, so my remainder is a 4, so we put remainder 4. So my answer is 47 remainder 4. 8 goes into 380 47 times, but we have 4 units left over. I hope this is helpful. So enjoy the day and get to dividing.